ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Nonghikai bagi para Khynnah skul baro ki yo kelar banyak Kdup Ieid bat banai kublai ki Khynnah ke pas ba hai ke exam matrik di Hadien Sngi belayo ya ke result kada wa shimpor haduk Sngi bagi yo ke kublai markel yang kedai mar ba ke Sngi bepen bena ya ke result kedai ke Sngi sajan ke bagi yo syuti nang tapoi sa ke Sngi ublai bat kala Sngi ublai ru kedai ke Sngi syuti nomor kedai ke Sngi syasuk mensim hamadan waking Ilayo banyak kenduk lang baro day haduk mentaga Sngi hat majai ke pratrik uyayong arajar pausan. Ilayo pensaki yakani haga school Christian Academy kemudian hari Samtia Shillong. Habangi poi hang ni ilayo banyak kenduk ika Khynnah ke Buan Basan dan 5th position haga top 20 ka Trasha Grace Pakenten kun jengkong lari veka Pakenten berubah Somerset Dakar. Haga jengkran bak ka Trasha Grace kalau orang bah kapor bakadang penkre ya ke exam haban bu syua syarut ya bro ke jeng sngau bha bar ka haban plate jengmut bet haga kot ban yo ik result ka babha
Kong dia ke preparation dia ban sedang naduk school hi naduk first day bet hi hab dia ban sedang ke preparation man ke sini kendiat kena badla dia ke por hi ban tho ke exams pinla mendan kam syuk ban stress ban thia me Kdup fin long confident bet fin kan mau te ko wei ru kalong ba dia ban dan confidence hale dia ban la ban tho hai ki por exams ru long dia ma ban ong ban kali ni ki por lok na ban up ni ki por lok tahi dia kum ka tuka kot ru kadan makna ka guidebook ru Henry kamin hi kade ka kot te de depend makna ha guidebook ru kam dan kadan ka jing mentoi tambah in the long run te kamera pra te hanga te kumta hi kaya te ka preparation dala de ki pot lang te la hab kam pen sacrifice nak ki kum ban hab krea beros ki kita hi ki enjoyment ki ru hab stop shashi pot te Khynnah tu isi banyak result num long tiang sukan banyak ita result la long confident bet ba oh la le bah ta la bet hi la dan bet itu feeling ibal dan le tab admission he ru la yo bet na la le bah ta la di ki subjects pa kham janjat la hab prepare na do men step tharai ngas dang kat no sao beji san beji tengah buat apartment miat namar bamla hi ban krep ber si ngai pendap khnai beji kum tu te dala de for exams bat la shong Henry te sedang syok kendiat kenta si Sngi si kenta ar kenta te man ke Sngi se increase kumta hayang ru kila ya kemen ngar ngasngo kemen kumta hi nomor ba long la prepare te la yo hi kum bang expect ngayo kata hi ko percentage nga ken ki marks ki kum ju hi ngayo te kam so palai for yo 95 ru bat ka tu ka 5th position te ngasngo kemen bhapat pangala ala ban represent ya ke school kumnya habang ayo ha ka list Kau itu kalau kreakat bah, concentrate haba kreakat. But dia aku mengi kumni aku guidebook ru. Nai depend rana marba. Pemla bentuk kumen hakani ruki dan ki subjects pengi poi na guidebook. Ki dan pak bampoi te dah prepare na guidebook. Mentoi ra. Te kalau kau di preparation, kau ba ada confidence. Yang aku boleh ki teacher si ki bayar apa yang hasam ru. Kum ki parents jangan ru ki layar apa yang hakapor bang dan kam. Gila ai jeng Arab kom kini ki subject English kas math science kitu hi ki bakam dan kam te ngai ku play baru hi ki balong ki bala support yang hatu kapor ba ki bala tama best wishes jengki kila harap yang abang poi hakani ka puat hakani ka thau ngal ayo spot admission hasin admins tengah net na hang tu hi ya ka stream science
On behalf of the principal, Miss Khan, bamla ban dorkat ban ye ni Sngi, ni kwa ban penpau ni kong e ka jing sngu ko jing ni ublei, ubala kerku ya school ko jing sa sisen ba baro ki kena ki bala appear ka exam ki la yo ya ka jing job te ni penpau ya ka ta ka jing sngu ya ki noi kai baro ki bala trish tom ding ba ki ni kisnem baro bagi ni ki kena ki lapoi haduk ni ka kerdan bagi la ban yo ka jing job ti kalong ke ba ngi so thu ba ka de ka jing tre lang hi jong we pi we na ki bat ka jing trish tom ju ki kena baro ka support na ki me ki pa ki jong ki ka ba penla yang i baro bangin yo ya ka ni ka jing job sa shi sen men tau snem ti khoble shibon ya pi baro kimi ki pa kini ki khana ngi krimen ba ka kisnem ki ba shakhamat kin pinang ye yo ban mat ye ki jing job ki ba kham crowd shu ki jing ki jong phi bo ning kong yu blei ka jing im jong phi wat ning kong ye ka mon ka jong u bat ki baro kin sa unsa ai lang tam shapi kulish bon
Kini pat kedai Secret Heart Girls Higher Secondary School ke school ki ben ko buram ki Khynnah ki ba pass ba hakani ki exam matric ka badang shudam Nagadiga school ki dan langut ki Khynnah ki berung hak top 20 kata ka Quincy Dora Singri ka buan hak kedan ka pra ka ba me yai ne kharwar ka buan hak kedan ka basan ba kada pila sara si imli ka buan hak kedan ka ba arpho klepen ko buram ru ya baro ki Khynnah jong ka school ki ba yo prabu percent shaneng
And I also want to use for that.
The top 10 rank holders in this year's SSLC examination. This has been a great achievement and it wouldn't have been possible without all of your support. First of all, I would like to thank God, our Creator, for His guidance and protection. I would also like to thank my parents for their endless encouragement. I would like to extend my thanks to our dear sister principal and my teachers who have taught me right from primary, secondary, and who have helped me in my studies, guided me and corrected my mistakes, and their words of advices to always to always strive for excellence. I would also like to give a special thanks to our ex-principal, Sister Lydia Pala, who have always believed in me and offered sweet words of encouragement. I would also like to thank my friends who have always believed in me, supported me, and encouraged me, and have been a great part of my journey. This journey wasn't always easy, but it was a life learning experience which has taught me the value of hard work and to be dedicated and believed in my goals. I hope that my achievement will become an inspiration to all of you to believe in your goals and to always never give up. A few words of advice I can say is that as students we should always listen carefully to the explanations of the teachers in the classroom and to reach out to them if we have any doubt. We should avoid any kind of distraction, and we should remember that with dedication, hard work and effort, anything is possible. Thank you.
I am so grateful to God because each day I get a chance to experience His goodness. I am so grateful to God because of everything, of His blessings, and He had guided me all this way that I am here right now. I thank Him because He gave me a chance to study in this school, to meet loving teachers and loving sisters. They are so wonderful, and I know it's because of them that I am right now. I am like this right now. I thank my teachers, right from the teacher who taught me from how to write ABC and 1, 2, 3, from group 1 up to the teachers who taught me till class 10, and also all the teachers who had never taught me also, but they had always inspired me and motivated me, and I am here right now like this because of them. I also want to thank my parents because they are the ones who supported me spiritually and emotionally, and they always helped me to cope with my fears. In my journey, while preparing for this exam, I had a lot of fears and doubts, but many teachers and also my parents they motivated me and inspired me, and my mother always teach me from the Word of God. That's why I always know that God will never leave me. While preparing for my exam, I had always these three things in my mind, and those are the one that I must do everything for the glory of God, as in 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verses 31 says, "Whether therefore ye eat or drink, or whatsoever ye do all to the glory of God." And number 2, I know that God will never leave me. I trust in Him, as He says in Isaiah 41 verses 10, "Fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee, yea, I will help thee, yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of righteousness." And I know that God, I put my complete trust in Him.
Teachers, sisters, and to you all my dear fellow friends, I'm standing here getting the top 20, so I'm very grateful. But first of all, I would like to thank God for being with me during those days of preparations for the exams, for giving me good health both physically and mentally, and for being with me in all those days, in all the times of my life. First of all, I'm also feeling very grateful to all my teachers who were teaching me right from the time when I joined nursery till now that I'm teaching class 10. I'm very grateful. I also feel that it is because of them that I reached to this position. I always feel sad in all those days of preparation. I felt that I want to give up because I'm a kind of person who's always had fear in myself. When I see others that they are preparing so much, I feel like myself I want to give up. But when I pray to God, I read the Bible, my fear just always ran away like that. It feels like as if I'm competing myself in the exam alone. So I feel that God is with me in all those days. And also that this is a kind of little advice that I would like to give to you all, my dear fellow friends. Learn from each other, support from each other, celebrate others' success, never give up. Try whatever you can do, but anything that you can do, you should always believe in yourself. Do not give up. Live with your dreams. Even if you fail, you know that those are the stepping stones in your life. That's all. Thank you.
So then I would like to share with you all my story that I've read in the school. So I joined the school in the year 2019. So throughout the year, when I was class 5, I did well. I did what I could, but then I turned to be a rebellious kid. I had that kind of attitude that was like, my life, my rules. So that kind of attitude led me to downgrade my result, and I failed in 8th grade. I failed subjects. So I was an outlaw student. Most of you don't know, I guess, but I guess most of you know. But then one teacher turned my life. I don't know where she is. She pointed out my potential and guided me, and I'm thankful for her and all the teachers as well. So what I wanted to say that the teachers here, they have a reason if they scold you also. If they scold you, it's for your own good, not because they hate you. I also had that mindset that, they scold me because they hate me, they target me like that. But my dear fellow schoolmates, please don't take it too hard. Take it as a challenge. So to better up yourself, to level up yourself. You still don't know, you haven't found yourself yet. Go find yourself. Tell yourself that, I see that one girl is doing better. I see that one girl is doing so well in anything. So tell yourself that I must do better. I must be the best version of myself in anything that I do. You hear me? You hear me? Will you do that?
He